हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे एल&टी क्वार्टर 2 रिजल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं एल&टी क्वार्टर 2 रिजल्ट्स। कॉन्सपैट राइजेस 22.5% year-on-year to rupees 2,229 crore. Revenue jumps 23%. Sum of size. Okay. Larsen & Toubro L&T on Monday reported a 22.5% year-on-year rise in consolidated net profit for the quarter ended September at rupees 2,229 crore, a tad below ET now poll of rupees 2,258 crore. Consolidated revenue increased nearly 23% year-on-year to rupees 42,763 crore, beating ET now poll of rupees 39,750 crore. Okay. Consolidated order intake rose 23% during the quarter to rupees 51,914 crore, and international markets constitute 33% of the total order inflows. Okay, the consolidated order book stood at rupees 3.72 lakh crore. Okay, as of September 30, with international orders having a share of 28%, the growth in the top line was led by strong execution in the mainstay and infrastructure segment and sustained growth momentum in the IT and technology services portfolio, the company said in a press release. However, growth in order inflows was far lesser than the 57% growth seen in quarter 1. The share of international orders have also dipped, indicating the impact of a global microeconomic slowdown. Large value private sector investments that was set for a major revival may get delayed due to the persisting geopolitical and global economic turbulence, the engineering behemoth and said in the release it believes that the global behemoth economic outlook is clouded by major downside risk, but remains confident of the domestic market visibility. Visibility of a continue domestic consumption demand augurs well for new investments, L&T said. Augurs well for new investments, L&T said. Consolidated operating profit rose 22.6% year-on-year to rupees 4,899.4 crore, while margin dipped marginal 3 basis points to 11.46%. Okay, segment scorecard. The flagship infrastructure project segment reported a 39% year-on-year growth in revenue on the back of accelerated execution of projects. Clear, and international revenue constitute 19% of the total segment sales. Order inflows jumped on year to the 25,058 crore. The operating margin, however, dipped 170 basis points year-on-year to 6.6% due to cost pressure in a few projects. Okay, the energy projects segment, the second largest, saw revenue declining 7% year-on-year largely due to slower than expected execution of projects. However, cost saving helped margin improve 190 bps to 8.5%. Order inflows declined sharply by 42% year on year, but this was largely because the L&T had back a mega project in the hydrocarbon business in the same period last year. The high-tech manufacturing segment saw marginal drop in revenue, but margin expanded 400 bps to 18.5% due to a favorable mix. Okay, so guys, L&T Q2 results cons PAT rises and 22.5% year on year to rupees 2,229 crore. Revenue jumps 23%. Okay. Larsen & Toubro L&T on Monday reported a 22.5% year on year rise. The consolidated net profit for the quarter ended September at rupees 2,229 crore. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे।